So, hi guys, or hello, maybe what are you on? Uy. So, hi guys. We're gonna play Roblox for today's. And let's see if we found some campers, gamers, or some like idiot speed glitches and small avatars. So, yeah. We're gonna play Murder Mystery. I actually got a new UGC. And it's so cool. It's 3 items of UGC. Or accessories. Whatever you want. So let's see the server. Hmm. Looks good. So let's see. Oh, this is my new avatar. This block behind me is my new accessories. And this flower thing is my new accessories too. And this necklace. I found it on some random game. So yeah. So there's nothing to. So is this a normal server or is this just? No, it's not teammates. How does? Oh, not that. I don't know. I don't know. So let's go to the secret. No. Let's not go to the secret. Let's just spec. Oh, the murderer round. Never mind spectating. So like we're only 8 players, but that's okay. And this server is kind of new, but I'm not that sure if they are new or not. So don't mind the background sound. What? What do you want me to fucking say? Oh, never mind. Yes. 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 You don't have anything good. You have anything that's yes. What is it? Yeah. Put something here. So I if it's what no. He just really wanted a item. The sound isn't. Never mind. Let's check it for A100. Oh no. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me. Bro, what is this fucking screen? Oh, bro. They are teaming! Teamers! Bro, teamers! OMG, it's so fucking hard to play, bro. You fucking teamers! We got teamers on the line. Let's go to defeat them. With my new avatar though. Let's select. Let's select. They trying to 1v1 but they couldn't do 1v1. What the fuck is that 8 bro? You don't deserve. There's one more player, you fucking stupid idiot bitch murderer like a wannabe beef bro. You fucking ass bitch. Get a job and get a life, not like mine. Because mine is better than yours. Sorry. Bitch. Sorry, not sorry. Ugh. I am a little bit of British accent, but I'm kind of an English and Filipino accent. I also like British and England. And this bullshit motherfucking Timo's a fucking emo thing now. Hmm. Timo's on the server right now, like for you. We got Timo's on the server like for you. They are so fucking idiots. Ugh, I'm gonna crush you to fucking idiot. Don't mind the background sound. It's so annoying. Let me get that. Please, not the team of one, not the team of one. Yes! MG. You fucking trash. I feel like they are teaming right now.
Nararit yung isitang kita. Pati buhok niya kumakain eh.
That's so funny. Forget the background sound. Don't mind it. Let's get so fucking stupid. Ay, you bitch, I screamed because of you. You fucking bad ass bitch. Bad ass. So, where's the
Nanginis yung mamalagyan.
No, you
Nanginis yung mamalagyan.
copy got skill. Get some skill, please. Skill to you, my fucking bitch. Now, team is
Hindi
in
ka
the
lang
lab. You bro, get fucking seven. You ain't feeling the line,
Hindi
bitch.
tunog.
If these two watch my video, I'm fucking kicking out this bitch in my fucking video. But I don't know how to do. But they are my number one hating bitch.
Nararit
Ka.
eh. Nagkaroon ng ganun.
Girl, where the fuck is this Cocomelon? Cocomelon, you fucking ass kid, you bitch. Don't talk like fucking crybaby, you bitch. Fuck you, fuck you.
Gusto balo ka na saan?
Nakabidyo ako. Bobo. Kamabon mo, bobo. Kaya nga nag-English, di ba? Tanga. YouTube.
Pwede ka lang.
Yes. Oh, I'm gonna edit this later. Oh no, you bitch. You bobo her, bitch.
Bawasan. Tira ka na lang.
Mas kung magsin... Yan, dito. Wait, that's for you, sorry.
Dahan-dahan ka lang ha.
So, this video is about beating this fucking stupid ass females. What can I buy? I want to buy Frank Gun, but I have no money. Or Jen.
Kasi hindi bago na yan bumalik. Alam mo na hindi mo yan babalik.
Stupid ass Nicholas. I fucking hate you. Be quiet. Forget the background noise.
Dahan-dahan ka lang sabi mo.
Don't mind the fucking background noise. From my fucking siblings. Easy. Mulat ng mata. Kaya ko sa uman.
Nagsasama sa content, lagi daw
So,
nalilink out sa iling sa mga content nyo. So, totoo ba may issue daw kayong dalawa, Nika? Uy, baka may issue kayo. Ano pinagchachatan nyo? Kamusta na si Ace? Kamusta na si Ace? Kamusta na si Ace? Si Ace, oh. Sino yung amoy mo? Si Ace? Nika! Si Nika. So, walang issue sa inyong dalawa.
where's my money?
Ay, ang dami kasi
My
nagmumukha
money
issue daw
here.
kayo eh. Sinasabi kasi baka daw
I
dahil kay
still
Ace kaya daw hindi kayo nagpapansin.
Ma, time to
Or baka daw
shine.
dahil kay Shelly kasi sinisiraan daw ni Ace.
Ha.
Pero hindi naman sinisiraan. Mabait naman si Shelly.
I said randomly because I need to.
Okay ba na?
I need to do this.
Ibig sabihin, pag-ibig pilit.
Oh!
Sabi mo, oh,
No!
Hoy, ano mo hindi pwede?
Why? No. That's actually not Mr. Piss right now. Another fucking teamers. I hate to say. I hate myself. The fucking teamers are stupid ass bitches. Bitch.
Noon sa nga.
I'm gonna tap it. I hate them.
Anong ilalagay ko dito sa 8-track? I don't need a fortune teller to tell me my...
Kill me, guys. I'm gonna kill you.
So, dito ko naman
Double
Isang
team.
naman.
Not. I'm not gonna hurt them. I'm positive. I'm leaving.
Po.
Yeah.
Ay, Mary. Nangya ko pa. Ay, nakakaya.
This stupid. I really don't want to deal with this right now. So we're gonna continue again tomorrow because these two motherfucking bitches and two double teamers are fucking annoying my fucking server. So much fucking idiots. Ugh. So bye guys. I need to edit it. Bye. I mean goodbye. I mean, bye.